Hey, what's going on? This is your boy Beowulf. What's going on, guys? Oh man, hopefully this will be like one of the last cold days. It is like -5 or 7 outside, and so what I'm going to talk about in this video, and I've been thinking about recently, and I was thinking about originally when it first got released, talking about possibly doing it. All right, so if you haven't aware, I have right there 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. It's a night edition, so it's a special edition one, and it has it where it's all blacked out, so there's no chrome or any of that stuff. And then I Challenger Hellcat right here. All right, so what I was thinking about is, if you guys aren't aware, if you're new to the channel, I am, as you can see right there, I am selling my house and I am moving out to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Now, going down there, I'm aware, and I've had many people say there's a chance of hurricanes. Okay, so I own 2 cars and it's just one of me, and I have to ship that one down. And then the thing you have to worry about is a hurricane. So what happens when you're trying to get the second car out of there and you don't have a lot of time, and you don't want to have a car get destroyed because you can't get out of there? And I know you can rent a trailer, and it probably is not that hard. I'm making it sound out to be. So what I was thinking about is, what do you guys think? I want to give you guys comments on this. What if I traded this in and traded the Hellcat in and got 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk? Now I know, you guys have heard all my videos where I go ranting and raving how the Trackhawk is a huge mistake, but they've been putting fast times out. I did last night. I ran a 12.5 with my Jeep SRT. Now, moving out to Myrtle Beach, I checked in the area, there's not a lot of drag strips, so I won't be drag racing a lot as I was before. Before, I was going like 2-3 times a week, because I live like less than 40 minutes from a drag strip. Now, from what I've checked with Myrtle Beach, there's a lot of road courses and there's a lot of drag strips, but they're kind of a distance. So I was wondering, what do you guys think? Should I trade both in? Both of them in, get the Trackhawk, and I have like all around vehicle that I could be doing all that and then driving to, because the Challenger Hellcat has drag radials on it, and you can't be like going all around. There's no spare tire, and you drive a couple hours and you get stuck, and how do you get home, and all that kind of fun stuff. So I'm just trying to figure this out, plan it out. Also, too different than where I live now is, most of the time in most states, when you buy a car, you pay taxes on it once. Now, South Carolina has top 5 state with the lowest property taxes, so there's a plus right there. Now, when you come out there with a vehicle, every year you have to pay a tax on the vehicle. It's not a lot, and it's not like I'm going to be complaining about doing it, but I'm just trying to plan this out, because it's a lot of work hauling this car, that car, and you just have one car. But it's also be boring just to have a car. And you guys have heard my Jeep Trackhawk things. I don't like the steering wheel. I want to get the car, but I don't like the steering wheel, and I don't like that it doesn't say SRT. I just don't. I can't. Like my dad, Eric the Red, got the Durango SRT, and I like that thing, and the only thing I dislike is it didn't have the carbon fiber trim in it. Mine has a carbon fiber trim, and I don't know if it's an option or not. I didn't really check, but that's not we were trying to find what was in stock. There weren't really a lot to come by, so we kind of found the best deal and we jumped at it. So what do you guys think? Should I get rid of my Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT and my Challenger Hellcat and get the Trackhawk? So that's what the whole video is about. I think I got my bro, he's at my house. You can see there's Gavin, Gucci Gavin's car, his truck, and he's sleeping though right now. So, and he promised, and you go on his channel if you haven't checked it out, he promised in one of his last videos that he was doing daily videos every single day, and he's missed like 4 days now with no daily videos. Come on, man, you clickbaited me. I want to see some daily videos, Gav. Gucci Gav. Gucci Gav. Gucci Gav. Alright, so Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about. And but I don't know. The biggest thing is to get this house sold, and I'm flying out in a couple of weeks to go look at homes and possibly put an offer in a house. And then I'm hoping this starts moving with more traffic coming to look at my house, and somebody puts an offer at my house. But how many people, like I said in my last video, how many people looking around at homes when it's this cold? The nice thing, next couple of days is warm it up, so people come out of hibernation and start going around doing stuff. So that's what I'm hoping on. Let's cross our fingers. Now, what the other thing we haven't done in a while, so we haven't started this Hellcat up for a while. She needs to be started up. Now, what I can do is press the button on the remote. Let's see if we can get it started. Hellcat, can you start? Oh yeah, oh yeah. She's alive. She's alive. And she barely started though. She started. Let's see what that intake temperature says. 25 degrees. It's pretty warm in here. Oh yeah. Let's see one of my past videos too. Look at that. That's a bike from back in the 1997. It has original tires on it. It's a orange Fat Boy bike. I checked, there's like none for sale anywhere. I was debating about selling it or keep it because I was thinking about getting like an electric bicycle. It'd be fun down in Myrtle Beach. And I got the Evolve Carbon GT. So I got that, a couple different modes of transportation. I got the Hellcat, got the Jeep SRT, get an electric bicycle, got the electric longboard, and then get a wave runner, and I'm all set. I'm all set. Look at that. That was water that dropped from the garage door, and look at it, it's already frozen on the car. It's so cold out. The lightest, it was just like little condensation, and it dropped, and look at it, it's already frozen on the hood. It's crazy, it's so cold, my hands are freezing. I'm gonna go back inside before I like freeze. I'm gonna wake up Gucci Gab. Hey! Oh shit. Get up, you're on the vlog, man. Gucci Gab, get up! Get up, Gucci Gab! Time to wake up, man. You can't sleep all day.
Yeah.
You've been sleeping all day, man.
Not all day.
It's freaking like what? 4 o'clock? You just finally getting up? Get up, Gucci Gab. Do the Gucci Gab dance. Come on.
It's called sleeping dance.
Dude, get up, man. Do the Gucci dance.
No.
All right, bro. Listen to this, man.
Yeah.
The Hellcat is alive outside.
Yeah.
It started up.
That's what, you driving it?
What do you think? Do you think we could run in 10 seconds? Maybe 9 tonight?
You really driving it, man?
Yeah, I'm gonna drive it on the salt.
You're crazy.
Why? I'm gonna do it for the video. I'm gonna take it out and see if we can run 9 seconds tonight. What do you think?
Oh, man, this is too crazy.
What? Do you think I should?
I don't know.
No? Well, it is all nice and clean. A little condensation water came out the garage, landed on it, and like froze on the hood immediately. You think it's cold outside?
It's freezing out.
Freezing out? How much, tell everybody in the vlog how much you love Illinois.
1%.
1%? What's that?
So boring.
What's so boring?
Illinois.
Wait, you don't want to go camp outside? No. You're a Boy Scout, you should be camping outside.
Yeah, how about this? I'll show you the skills of camping out, and I'll watch you from inside.
Nah, that's alright. It's alright.